Okay, I got my probes here connected. This package unit, carrier package unit. Got my supply probe there. Return probe on the other side inside the filter cabinet. And we're gonna go and see how far we could go. Okay, we got the panels back on. I think there's some kind of delay on this unit. They might have turned it off downstairs, not sure. So someone requested me to use the native Testo app, the regular Testo app. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 probes connected, that's right. And we're gonna go for a walk. This is a stucco building, and it does have stucco enclosures. We got this parapet here. Go for a walk over here. Adjust the camera angle. Still connected. We're gonna go down in the building too. Okay, we already lost the suction low side there. If I turn around, I lost the high side too. Turn around, let's see if it reconnects. Yeah, we only have 3 of the 6 connected. Let's see if it reconnects. It did before. Man, that's kind of sad, isn't it? I'm about 75 feet away. It did reconnect earlier. Let's go. Let's keep playing with this, guys. Okay, it sounded like it turned on. Let's go walk back within range. Okay, low side's back connected. Of course, we're standing right in front of it. It's kind of like, it's hit and miss. I mean, it is in a stucco wall, so we will give it some. And it's inside, all the probes are inside this metal unit, obviously. High side's connected. Yeah, I just kind of prefer the MeasureQuick app. It's a little better. I mean, this is more, the Testo's good, but this Testo is more simplistic. So they're slowly reconnecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got one more. Got one more. Okay, it's the high side. It's not connected. That's weird. High side's connected now. I'm standing right here, guys. What the heck? Unreal. You know, I don't know if my tablet's hot or what. I might have to restart my tablet. I think it could be tablet issues. Yeah, they're all connected again. We're just gonna go for it. I didn't restart it. We're just gonna go for it. Ow! Hit my head on this thing. Unreal. So we're gonna go downstairs and see how it goes, see if it reconnects. Like I said, this is about, I didn't map anything or anything, I'm just working here. So I would say about 75 feet from this ladder to over there, and of course it's in the enclosures. Looks like we did lose some apps, I mean some probes. Sorry, I need some water, it's too hot up here. We lost 605 eyes, so the screen got bigger. So we're just gonna go down the ladder. We're gonna go down the ladder, climb down the ladder, 50 feet or so. It's like a play yard. And we're gonna go inside the building and see how far we got. Okay, I just got in the building from the ladder. Turned back my iPad, let's see. Let's see what we got. Got nothing connected right now. Oh, I got one. Sorry. Oh. We got one 15i. High side disconnected. So the unit is like at the end there and up in the ceiling. So we are connected, most of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we did kind of reconnect. I think the MeasureQuick app works a little better, but we're in the building, so we're connected. So we're outside the building right now, outside the door. Ooh, we lost it. We lost everything almost. Almost. Ugh, we got 1605. So we're right back in.
Where are you going?
Bring milk tomorrow. Nathan,
Where are you going?
Got some of them connected. The unit's just like right above there.
come here. Look who's moving.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got one more to connect. Five. We got one more stubborn. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got them all connected now. So the unit is just right above this room, up in there. I'm basically right below the unit. And there's a little attic space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go towards the door.
Oh, good job.
We're losing them. We're losing them. All right.
Bye, Miss Kelly.
Goodbye, Victoria. Let's finish shake hands. Turn it and steer it so you can get a right spot.
We lost them all and just went a few 10 feet. Besides one.
Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Wanna shake hands?
Okay. Once we turn around and point it towards it, we kind of start to gain them back.
Have a good night. Bye.
Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes.
I'll see you tomorrow. I love you.
She didn't say that one yet. He's still working on that one. He's very shy. Oh.
We take it straight to their brother.
All right. Are you ready?
Dang, you got it fast. Jordan. Bye. I got it.
Okay, I just got back. Unit's over there. So it is in a stucco enclosure, and keep in mind it is in the unit, so. And the building is stucco as well. Pretty much like everything in California. So, let's just stand here for a second. Yeah, I don't know if it's this app or I need to restart my iPad or what. It was restarted when I started it up just an hour ago. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got the high side connected. 2 15i's look like. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just need the low side. Yeah, lately the low side's been acting, a little picky. So it is in the, you know, in the enclosure and what have you. There we go, we picked it up. It's right over there at the end one. So, you know, it's not, these probes, you know, that's not like amazing distance. I mean, it's going to do residential okay. For the most part, you're going to get about a, you know, if you're lucky, 100 feet, you know, through a wall or so. But I mean, yeah, they're definitely better than the Gen 1 for sure. See, we got to go back a few feet. So yeah, it's not like amazing, but you know, it is in that enclosure inside the package unit, so residential would be a little easier. See. Good boy. Good boy. You got a bath. See. Good boy. So clean. You're so clean. You're so clean. You're so clean. You're so clean. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're so clean.
Wow!